Romper con. Romper con. Just remember, con. Okay? Romper con. This is similar to a phrasal verb, like get down, get up, get out. Okay? Similar to that, phrasal verbs in English. And this one is quite interesting. Romper con means to break up with someone. Romper con, to break up with. Okay? So for example, I can say, rompí con mi novia ayer. Rompí con mi novia ayer. If you hear this, rompí con mi novia ayer, romper means to break, to tear, to rip. What does that even mean? Right? It can be confusing. So, rompí con mi novia ayer means, sorry about that, I broke up with my girlfriend yesterday. Sad situation here. It's a bit sad. It happens though. It happens. So let's break this down. Let's see how this sentence works. Rompí con, you have it right here. Rompí. Okay, rompí con. I broke up with. Rompí. Yo rompí con. You don't need yo. You can just say rompí con. Okay, rompí con. I broke up with my novia, girlfriend. Okay? Ayer means yesterday. Very simple. It's a very basic sentence structure, Spanish sentence structure. So, rompí con mi novia ayer. I broke up with my girlfriend yesterday. You can change this to novio. That means boyfriend. Okay? Boyfriend. Novia, novio. Very simple. Girlfriend, boyfriend. Novia, novio. That's very, very simple. And we have the verb romper con at the beginning of the sentence. Now, let's look at the different example. And let's see how romper con works in a different situation. Okay. This is a common question. ¿Estás rompiendo conmigo? ¿Estás rompiendo conmigo? This question means, are you breaking up with me? This is, sorry, I'm laughing about it, but it's a common question that people ask, especially when they're dating. Maybe they need some clarity. You need to know what's going on. The person might be breaking up with you or not. So this is a great question to remember. ¿Estás rompiendo conmigo? And let's break this down. Estás is like saying tú estás, but you don't need you. You don't need tú, but technically this means are you. Okay? Estás, are you? Rompiendo, we're using the gerund here. Rompiendo, the end ndo, that's the gerund, just like in English, ing. Okay? Rompiendo, breaking. Now we have here, we don't have con and something else. We have conmigo. Conmigo is a common word that means with me. Rompiendo, breaking up, and then con, with, technically. That's the meaning of con, with, okay? But if you want to say with me in Spanish, you need just one word, and the word is conmigo, with me. ¿Quieres venir conmigo? Do you want to come with me? Okay, conmigo. Just remember, conmigo means with me. And yeah, that's the breakdown. Now, you can change this to something else. For example, you can change this to, for example, Miguel está rompiendo con. You can change this to, Miguel está rompiendo con, and then you can replace this with a name, for example, con María. Okay? Miguel está rompiendo con María. Miguel está rompiendo con María. And this means, is Miguel breaking up with María? Okay? And it's a question. Is Miguel breaking up with María? Miguel está rompiendo con María. Okay, so you can change this to something else, of course, this question. But just remember, a very common question is this one that we just learned. ¿Estás rompiendo conmigo? Are you breaking up with me? So it happens. I'm sorry, I'm laughing. It's a common question. It's all I can say. So it can be helpful if you need to use it, for sure. Hopefully you don't have to use it, but it happens, right? Okay, remember, romper con means to break up with. You just have to add the rest, okay? And obviously you need to conjugate the verb romper. Excellent.